Can we dance together one time? Would you like to be my friend? How is this gonna end? I think I'm falling.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to get this look, and also I'm going to be doing my review on the whole KKWXMARIO collab collection, everything. Yes. So the eyeshadow palette comes back in stock on the 18th. Today is the 16th, so it comes back on Friday, which it's today. I'm gonna upload this video on Friday. So today is the 18th, and today you should be able to get this palette, and I think the lipstick and lip glosses as well. And that is what I see on the Instagram post. Let's talk about prices. So this is the KKWXMARIO palette. It is a 10 shade palette. Well, it looks like this. It's like a nice cardboard. It's really like a faux suede on the outside, and it's all gray. The net weight of each eyeshadow is 0.06 ounces. And this is made in the US, so it is marketed out of the United States of America. And you get this gorgeous palette. I think it's a visually stunning palette. I know a lot of people think it's a little bit more masculine, but it is with Mario, and he has like that classic look on, you know, for himself. And then you get these three that is also for sale. You get the lipstick in Classic K, you get a lip gloss in Super Nude, and then you get another lip gloss in Juicy. The whole bundle for the lipstick and the palette, that is going to be on sale. For sale at $85, which is originally, if you were to buy this separately, you would just spend $101, but they have it as a bundle for $85. I think that is what I did personally, and then if you were to do taxes and everything, it ends up being like $90 something. The palette itself, it is $45, and the lipstick is $20. The lip glosses are $18. So I think it's actually a great offer. What I think. I personally love it. Okay, so let's talk about the palette. That I think it's pretty much the basic thing that everybody wants. The palette itself, it is visually beautiful. I think it works really, really well. I have been really trying to find a palette that I feel like I can use every day. A palette that could be taken on trips, traveling, wherever you're gonna go. Something that is a staple palette that can be used for day looks, night looks, simple looks, you know, dramatic looks, colorful looks, and non-colorful looks. So I think this palette does a great job at, you know, servicing the purpose of everything that I just mentioned. I know it's like it has one pop of color. If you really think about it, you get 4 actually. You get this, actually you get 5. To me, I think 5, because you get this beautiful warm orange shade, you get this gorgeous gold, you get this gorgeous blue, you get a gorgeous bronze, you get a gorgeous purple, and you get a more terracotta kind of color. So you really get more than just a neutral palette, because this is not like a naked palette, if you know what I'm saying. The mattes are beautifully done. I took this to Texas and I wore it for the whole like trip, and it's beautiful. Like, it's stunning. Like, you can really provide yourself with the way you want to apply the eyeshadows. As you can see, you will see in the video, the eyeshadows, you can build them for more intensity, but they have a beautiful pigmentation already in them, and they are not patchy, they're not really scratchy, they're not really like ugly. The thing about these as well is that there's not fallout with it. At least for me, I didn't get any fallout. The fallout that I ended up getting is from my mascara, because it's old. And for the shimmers, oh my god, the shimmers are stunning. Like, it's crazy. Like, the fact that even the shimmers, you don't get like fallout. And normally if you have a shimmer and you don't use Fix Plus, you get like a hot mess, but this is literally like perfection. It literally looked so perfect. The only one that I will say that does kind of have a little bit more of a fall out, more like loose application to the eyeshadow is the color 2008, which is this eyeshadow that I used on the inner corners and highlight. But I like my inner corners to look more diffused than just like specifically in an area. Didn't bother me that it did look and had that kind of application. So I definitely would recommend the eyeshadow palette. I think it works really, really well. I highly recommend it. I think you will love it. Do you need it? I think for me, because I'm like a collector and I'm a freaking hoarder, I do need it and I love it and I'm so happy I have it. But if you have 17 different palettes and you feel like you have these shades, maybe not, but I think it is a great deal, and I think the formula of the eyeshadows are perfect, so I would recommend just, you know, to have that extra one, and I think it works really, really well. Now for the lip products, oh my god, so let's talk about the lipstick. The lipstick is seriously, oh my god. I really feel like I haven't really been into lipstick tubes like this in a while, and until Desi and Katie came out with their lipstick, I was like, I don't really want that. But their lipsticks are everything, as well as this lipstick. This lipstick is like gorgeous. So this has 0.14 ounces, and so it has like kind of enough product in there. If you use this every day, I mean, yeah, you might use it up, but this is seriously, the way that this is packaged is actually stunningly beautiful, and the color, like, it's just so pretty. Like, if you're a lighter skin tone than me, it might be like a darker lip color, but it might be like the perfect dark lip color. If you are a deeper complexion than me, then I think this would be like a nice nude, a lighter nude to mix it in with your lip color. I think it works beautifully. The formula is everything. Like, this is a perfect formula of lipstick because it's not a dry matte formula. It's like a beautifully, like, you can glide over it and it looks stunning. It doesn't get any of the cracks. It's beautiful. I really, really actually love the lipstick. Love the lipstick. As for the glosses, these glosses are super, super good as well. I really recommend the glosses as well. Like, I'm not just trying to kiss ass right now. Like, the glosses, it just looks so perfect. Like, the lips with the gloss, it just looks like juicy, like glossy, like a good gloss that you know. Like, it's not really gritty. It doesn't have any grit or like stuff like that to the lips. It does like a beautiful, like, sheen, wet highlight on the lips. And that's what a perfect gloss is for me, and I love this lip gloss. Personally, I go over with the nude, super nude, more than juicy. It's just depending on my mood. Personally, I tend to go with the lighter nude, but the glossy, juicy color I think works really, really well. And maybe if you are a deeper complexion than me, then this one would work much better than the other one. That is everything regarding information with the actual product of the KKWXMARIO collab. I will leave it down below. You can go shop it today. It is Friday, May 18th, 2018. You can go ahead and get that. It is supposed to be restocked today. I definitely recommend that. I know I'm gonna get another one of these because, hello. If you guys want to see how to get this eye look and get this lip, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, we made it, y'all. We made it to today. So here is the palette. This is the KKWXMARIO eyeshadow palette, and this is gorgeous. It has 10 shades. The first row is called 2008 Glam Miami Armenian Loyalty. Bottom is Decade, Albanian, Vegas, Libra, and Bronzy as the last shade. 4 matte shades and the rest are shimmer-like shades. Clearly I already have my base. I'm gonna first go in with the shade Miami and a nice blending brush. And I'm gonna first go into my crease. And I'm going to slowly build this upwards. You can see they're super duper pigmented, and the eyeshadow formula is really, really nice. Personally, this is one of my favorite formulas of eyeshadow because they're super blendable, they're super nice. I'm gonna take the color Albanian and I'm gonna start deepening up the eyeshadow. M330. It's a really small, really small brush, and I'm gonna take the color Loyalty. She is the darkest shade, plus she is an ashy tone. So I'm going to really go in here. I'm going to start just to deepen up the outer corner. I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and I'm going to carve out the lid portion. I'm going to take the color Armenian for the lid. Oh, that is stunning. Armenian is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm just going to take the shade Albanian. I'm going to take the color Albanian and I'm going to add this here just to blend out the transition. And I'm just going to go back in with Loyalty and I'm just going to make sure that there is enough depth. I'm going to take the color Libra. And we're just going to do a pop of blue on the lower lash line. She's Pigmented. You guys, there's like zero fallout, which is intense. I'm going to add a little bit of Vegas to get this blended out here. Go in and add a little bit more of the blue. For the inner corner, I'm going to take the color 2008. That's beautiful. I'm going to add a little bit of setting spray so it's not so like loosey glitter. Wow, low-key this is like beautiful. Like it's like tropically and stunning. I live. So here is one eye done with the eyeshadow look and here is one eye off. The only eyeshadow colors that I actually were not using was Lamb, which is gorgeous color, and Bronzy. Also forgot, I did use the color Decade, which is the matte Blanc shade, but I used it to kind of set the concealer first, so that's where that eyeshadow went. So yeah, I only didn't use 2 eyeshadow shades. Those 2 shades are gorgeous, and I have used them already, but it's so pretty. I'm gonna add eyelashes, and we'll be back for the lips. So here are the eyes, finally done with the eyelashes. It's so pretty, I am shook. So I'm gonna do some lip liner first. I'm gonna take the lip liner, ColourPop lip liner and Curvy. You guys know this is my absolute favorite lip liner ever. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Classic K lipstick. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It's like very, I don't know, it's like futuristic packaging. And it's like a few like lipstick like this. Oh, I love this lip color. Perfect nude. And so it also comes with 2 little lip glosses. These are the lip glosses in the collection as well. The top one is super nude and the bottom one is juicy. And you know, I'm a super nude bitch, okay? I did go ahead and apply the color 2002 as my highlight as well. And that is the look with the KKW palette and the lips. I love it. I think it looks so good. Here's the final review of the tutorial as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this look. I'm so sorry to have brought you this look so late in the game. I apologize, it is on me. I will also leave the link down below, the KKWXMARIO. So I will leave that down below as well. And yeah, that's everything for today. I love you guys so much and I will see you guys in my next video.